Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rotate selection in Photoshop. Okay, first we're going to make the selection here. Then we go to select menu at the top and click on transform selection. After you can rotate the selection without rotating the pixel inside the selection. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once it is transformed, just click on done and then click anywhere outside, and from there you can apply filter or whatever you need to it. So here, if I go down and select that layer, then you can erase, you can perform whatever you need within that selection area. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.